Every company in the world needs great people to succeed. But how do you find these people and integrate them into a sustainable, effective team? For us, hiring is just as much art as it is process. You could say, in some ways, our people are like gourmet chefs in a talent kitchen creating exceptional teams one hire at a time. We look for only the best skills and traits in each candidate using our proprietary talent methodologies. And then we bring it all together in an effective talent experience that selects a great contributor for your company. And just as a well-plated meal doesn't happen by accident, we also onboard our people for collaboration success with our S.T.A.R method from day one. But what makes our work truly exceptional is our ability to build teams in a diverse and inclusive way. This secret sauce is one of the many ways we drive long-term success and team sustainability. Our remote teams are built from amazing, unique professionals from Mexico City to the natural wonders of Patagonia and all of Latin America in between. Equals true. Let's build, scale, and create your vision together today.